Hello and welcome back to a... what exactly am I supposed to call this? It's not a gunplow review, but it's not really a 30-minute missions review either. I guess it's whatever you want to call the action-based line. Anyway, today we're taking a look at the customized scene-based desert version. Anyway, this is going to be a bit of a shorter review, so let's just get into it. Now, I will start off by saying, obviously, I painted some of this, and also I top-coated this with a satin finish that looked a bit more like sand. As it was not quite this shiny, but it was closer to this. So, I did a little bit of work on this, but I mean, even flat plastic, it doesn't look horrible, so... yeah, all of this is just that tan plastic, though. Let's start off, I suppose, with the most important piece, the actual sand base. This is the exact same size as a action base. It even has the same connectors, though it doesn't come with any, so if you want to connect these together, you're going to have to buy separate action bases and connect them. As you notice from the bottom, it has 4 of these holes going around, and these are all specifically shaped on the top so that they line up. A little bit of a pain to get them out sometimes. And these holes are compatible with action-based stands. Though again, doesn't come with any. Now, aside from the main base itself, you also get some scenery pieces. 2 rocks. I just did a wash on these. Like I said, they're painted. And these just sit on it. They don't pig in or anything, you just sort of put them where you want and hope that there's not too much of a gap underneath. Because all these parts are actually completely flat on the bottom, so if you kind of put them like that, the shadow kind of hides it, but it's not exactly... it's not too big of a deal. And these are actually quite nice, honestly. You get one larger rock, one smaller rock. They have really good molding on them. They look really nice, honestly. And they're not big enough that they get in the way of anything. Now also, and probably more importantly, you get 2 dust clouds, which I did paint. Like I said, this is all one runner, so it's all the same plastic. And you get one... oop. And you get one that sweeps to the right and one that sweeps to the left. And they are pretty drastically different looking. But with these 4 pieces, you can make a lot of really cool poses. So you probably are going to want to buy an action base for the arm, because trying to get a figure to stand on an uneven surface like this is not exactly the easiest thing in the world. And as for a quick size comparison, like I said, exact same size as a regular action base. So, to wrap this review up, like I said, shorter one. Yeah, I honestly really like this more than I expected to, and I can't recommend this enough. It's not that expensive, and I mean, a little bit of paint work, and honestly, it looks really, really good. Though, like I said earlier, there is one slight problem I have with it. I can understand it not coming with an arm, you know, you'd probably want it to be translucent anyway, so having it be tan wouldn't look right, but there is no excuse for this not coming with a little connector to be able to attach these together without buying an action base. It's a little rectangle, it wouldn't have taken up any more space on the runner. The only reason they didn't include it was to make you buy action bases to connect them. But anyway, aside from that, I don't really have any complaints. That's all for this review. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the review, give it a thumbs up, it helps a lot. Subscribe for future reviews, hit the bell icon. I don't know why that's not on by default, but once you've done that, you can watch my backlog. I have quite a few reviews at this point. And as always, until next time, happy building.